Hello there everyone! Today, I will be showing you how to navigate the EduLearn Learning Management System. Open your browser and type in lnu-ils.technologies.com. This is the website of the EduLearn LMS. For you to log in, go to the upper right corner of the website and click Log In. Type in your username and your password. Click Log In. Now you are inside the portal of the EduLearn LMS. Let us now change your profile and change your password. For you to do that, go to the upper right corner of the portal and click Profile. There are two ways for you to edit your profile. You can either click this highlighted Edit Profile, or you can just simply click the setting icon. Then choose Edit Profile. In the Edit Profile, you have to input your first name, your surname, your email address, your city, and your country. You can also add your description. For you to change your profile picture, you can do two ways. You can either click this icon or click this icon. You will be opted with this page. Click Choose File and choose the picture that you want to upload. Click Upload this file and then Update Profile. For you to change your password, choose from the options here, Change Password. In order for you to change your password, you have to input first your current password and type in your new password. Retype your new password and click Save Changes. Now for you to choose your courses or your subjects, there are several ways for you to do that. You can either click Home, click Dashboard, or simply directly click the course that you want to open. Once you click the course, you will now be able to see its content. For you to be able to get a copy of your lesson, just click this highlighted one that says Module 1. It will automatically be downloaded to your device. You can open the file any time of the day. Now, if you want to answer a quiz, just click Quiz and you'll be prompted with this page. Click Attempt Quiz Now. Start Attempt. And then answer the quiz. Once you're done answering the test, just click Finish Attempt. Then automatically, your answers have been sent to your teacher. Click Submit All and Finish. Submit All and Finish. Now, if you want to answer an assignment, all you have to do is go to the left corner of your portal and click Takdang Aralin. Click the Assign Task for you. You will be prompted with this page. Before you submit any assignments or tasks, make sure to read the instructions first. Once you are done with the tasks, Click Add Submission. Then you will be prompted with this page. Since you are asked to upload a photo, just click either this icon or this drop button. Then choose a file. Click Upload this file. Then click Save Changes. You will then be prompted with this page, and then click Submit Assignment if you are done. Click this box and click Continue. Then you have successfully submitted your assignment. For you to log out, just go to the upper right corner of your portal and click Log Out. And there you have it, the EduLearn Learning Management System.